Hey, just open a little ice cream shop, you know. Time to get a little side hustle, you know. So we'll be making some ice cream for people. We got our first customers here. We got, of course, the black person was chocolate. Anyway,
Shit, I serve you.
alright, how to? Okay, so we put
I dropped chocolate ice cream on.
Oh,
How do I hand
I did it!
How do I hand it to him?
Look, I served someone. What do you want? You want a coffee? Ah, you wrong him.
Alright.
I'm making out. We are.
I've made a mess. Alright, what do you want? Chocolate? Okay, I'll give you chocolate, baby.
Oh shit!
How do I give it to them? Oh,
You just
I think
drop this.
I think my game might have crashed. Game crashed.
How?
Just two nuggets. Where are the nuggets?
I'll check the back.
Shoddy got
Order.
Oh! No, not this again.
Fuck. Shit, I broke that already. I ordered nuggets.
Don't I found nuggets.
Alright,
Two
okay,
nuggets.
you take them. I'll wait for the supply.
I don't know if they're ready or not. I need a tray.
They'll look golden.
Okay, only one of them's golden. One's gonna be burnt.
It's fine. Just take it out.
Serving tray. Yeah. Oh shit. This is not the easiest to do. I just. No, I want you to get out of there. No, I want. Oh fuck. Well. Okay, look. So this one's done. I'll just pop you back in there. Is there plates or something that we could put them on? Oh my god, is it?
Hello?
Hello.
Bro, I thought I just muted myself.
Okay, someone was a chicken burger. Oh shit.
I'll be fried.
Okay, if I quickly get
I've never put it in.
chopping board? Oh shit. Oh, they just fell. Oh, look it. Alright, this fella wants a chicken burger. Oh,
Come on here.
Well, he doesn't care that the bun's been on the floor a little bit.
I'll be fine.
Yeah.
Shit. Yeah.
Oh, do you have to toast them?
That's not weird. I'm just gonna leave them there though, so I shouldn't just leave them toasted. You have a rat.
Alright, hold on.
I'm frying it. There's a nugget.
Where's the...
Black nugget.
Okay, Ben, they can catch on fire. That's pretty... where's like the chicken burger thingy bobber?
Oh shit! Fire! Yeet! Okay.
Where's the actual...
How's the rest alive? Fry that shit.
Where...
Do you know the fire extinguishers? We're kind of on fire.
I think I threw it. Oh, it's right there.
Fire!
Oh my god! Sorry, no, that's post-fry. Where's the...
Alright.
Wait, hold on, we have to order. We have to order food.
4 nuggets. Get a tray out here. That's a dirty tray. Yeet!
Alright, money spent. Alright. Oh no! Well, I'm just being hit by the thing. Alright. Alright, good news, Mr. Jimin.
Yeah?
Oh shit, yep. I got the parties for Or the chicken things. Deep fry.
Shit.
Deep fry. How long is it gonna take for that rat to cook? I'm gonna feed someone a rat.
Same. I got the nuggets on the board. Shit. 3, 4.
Boom.
Alright.
Oh shit, I dropped the bun.
Is that you? Oh no. Who went for nuggets?
Where
Did
the fuck's the knife gone? Oh, the knife's right there.
You want a chicken burger? I made nuggets.
I'm making a chicken burger, don't worry.
There's fries on the floor here. I mean, just use those for that guy. If the guy on the right, just use this. Yeah, man, we're getting burger. Where are they shipment in?
Damn, fuck this. You can just. You can have it dismantled.
Yeah, we're going fries as well. We're going fries. Go to this
Wait,
guy.
I thought there was a dude that didn't want fries.
Yeah, but we don't like him. He pays us more money.
Exactly what? Yeah, because I cooked it.
Let's go.
Oh, you want the same thing? Basic bitch. Alright, can you order more buns, please?
What?
Can you order more buns, please?
Okay, we can unload all the fries I bought. Shit. Shit.
Alright, where's the knife? Where's...
I don't know. I think I threw it.
Oh, we need the knife, Ben!
Find it, Aaron.
No! I've abandoned my child! Oh, I swear I feel not true. Oh no, it's on the
what do we
floor.
need?
Alright. Oh shit, my own
So-
my bad only.
We to
How do we get more trays? That is the question. Yes, some people ask.
Shit, we only have $20 left.
Well,
I know we have no
it's-
dollars left. We're broke.
What the
We're at 0.
Hold on. Do you want this? Don't forget you can have this. I
Like
don't care
to
if it's
get-
what you ordered. Give us money.
We have no money. Alright, we have $10 left.
How do we have so little? Ben, what have you done?
I needed the fries.
Why have you ordered more?
You said it's pound buns.
Alright, well, yeah, alright, chicken burger, okay, so,
Alright, what do you need to do?
where are the buns? Why is
Here. Here. No. Shit, where did I put them? Here.
alright, just let me take this.
Oh, here. Yeet. I got clean. Oh, it's not clean trays. Clean tray. Where's the rest of the trays at? Oh,
Check next to the customers.
Yeah, I kind of threw a few of them.
Oh, what? Out of time.
How do we?
Alright. Hola, man.
Alright. Hola, man.
Hola, man.
Hombre.
Ooh,
We're
piano.
gonna make a tech.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna order.
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum. Oh, howdy. Hola, man. Ready to order, man? Nacho plate, chicken taco, beef taco, man. How do we make this? This is too complex for us, man. I'll just be the waiter, man. You could be the cook, man. Deal.
Put it on here. So it's cooked. Move it here.
Alright.
Move it here. Where's my beef at?
Your food's gonna be with you shortly, so you single, baby girl?
Does anyone else that want beef?
1 beef, 1 chicken taco. And then 2 nacho plates. So, you got a girl.
Sound like burgundy.
Can I take your hat? Oh, that's your hair. Oh,
And then cheese. Does the guy want cheese?
no.
Well, the taco.
No. Beef and onions on the beef taco. Chicken and onions on the chicken taco.
So I need to cook the onions as well.
Shit. I mean, you don't really.
What the chicken taco? Oh shit! Bro, dude, I wasn't on for that long. I put it off for 2 minutes.
Sorry about that, fellas. Ooh, you've got a nice ball. So, are you sure you don't have a girl? Treat me like wifey. Don't get me dirty. I mean, Alright, what do you fellas want? Alright, well,
How? I left it for like 2 minutes.
you have to keep an eye on it, Ben.
No, we're just gonna raw onions. Fuck
So-
you guys. Raw onions.
I mean, you could probably start with an actual plate.
No, I'm making tacos.
Yeah, actually, there's actually recipes, man. On how to actually. Oh no. So, how you feeling, sugar tits?
Treat me like what tease, don't get me dirty.
Kieran, I've got a taco. Go serve it.
This is the beef one, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, beef. Ooh, this isn't what you ordered. It is what you ordered. What did you want it cooked? Oh, there's more people. What the fuck? It is what
I
you
thought-
ordered. You have to cook the
Well,
onions. Hold on.
I ain't cooking the
No,
onions.
you don't. You don't have to cook the onions. All right, chicken.
Oh. I like a natural plate.
Chicken for you. It is what you ordered. Stop being grateful.
Oh. I didn't cut the onion twice. I gave them one.
How the fuck do they know that? What are they? Fucking inspectors?
Do 2 time natural.
2 natural plates, yeah. Alright. You probably should have chosen an easier one, because these ones have time limits.
Yeah, all of them do.
Do they?
Yeah.
Shit, I did.
No, no. No.
Your dinner is served.
Shit. No. We'll give them the burnt ones as extras. Oh shit, you get my frying pan for me.
Here you go. It is what. Oh, there's rats! Why got.
What with the burnt one? I gave it meant to be 2. Give me that shit. Oh shit, wait.
Treat me like wifey. Don't get me dirty. Oh, what's this? What is this? Burnt onion?
What?
Burnt onion.
Oh, fuck out of here.
Man, I'm gonna serve this to someone.
Okay. What do I need to cook? What do you want?
Oh, people have already
Egg.
left. Here you go, buddy.
Chicken taco. I don't want to make that.
Eat
I need
it.
to make an order soon.
Eat it.
I'm running out of stuff.
I mean, there's already a table that's left, and we didn't even get to see their order. Do you want to do a small? Do you want to do a different map?
No, I'm fine, I'm fine.
Ball flip.
Shit! Order.
Compliments to the chef, am I right?
Alright. This.
But I'm getting this table away. I don't care. I don't care. It's half. It's in. I know because you didn't order a burnt nacho.
We've got no onions. Right, I ordered it.
Alright. Oh, I see it. Oh, you can run, but you can hide, amigos.
Oh shit! The fire! The fire extinguisher's on fire!
Here you go, buddy.
Yeah. We're good. Where's the onions? It's all beef! Beef. Ooh. Yeet. Wait, Kieran, come on, to come help me with getting the beef out.
Oh shit. We've lost the box. We've lost the box of beef.
Yeah, we lost a few. We look across the street. Oh shit. Hey!
Oh no! I lost the package.
What about onions?
I don't know.
I ordered onions. I think I'm out of chicken taco. What did we order?
Leave me alone, lady. Don't get me dirty. Oh no!
Stop!
Here you go. Ben, look at the dining area.
Let me just get my onions real quick.
You look like you. Don't get me dirty.
Let me just. I've lost the knife. Oh, there it is.
This one's reachable. This one's reachable.
Can you. So, oh, wait, let's put this back in. I give up. Yeah, shit, my restaurant. Where's the fire extinguishers? Shit. No!
No, we can burn them. We can burn them. We can burn the boxes. We can burn the boxes.
Oh, what this shit?
We can burn the boxes.
Everyone, do not panic.
Okay, here you go,
Just,
buddy.
sorry about that, sir. Just enjoy these flowers.
Oh my god. Treat me like whitey. Don't get me dirty.
So, the restaurant, am I right?
Yeah.
Gee. Alright, well, get this shit out of here. Uh-oh. No! No! Uh-oh. Oh.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Yeah. I mean, the one out here's gone out pretty much.
Okay, here you go, guys. Your flaming box of onions.
Oh. Who was the beef? No, 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 you're not leaving. They left. No, they're leaving.
Why? I gave them
Can't
what
leave,
they
mate.
wanted.
You can't leave.
Wait, can I actually not
Nope.
leave?
Nope. You're not leaving. You're not getting in.
We'll try a different map.
Bro, there's so many chocolate people on my screen right now. Help. No. Get back here, you goddamn. I can't say that. Beef.
I've been trying to cook without this Mr. Benjamin.
Yeah, alright.
Oh, where's it gone? Oh. We're
Oh, this
down,
becomes hard.
we're down
Whoa.
frying pan. No, what are you doing?
Go with the building. Yeet! He's gonna throw us over the building. Yeet! Yeet! Oh. Yeet! Oh, isn't I'm just gonna like blocked up, you know?
Yeah.
Can't leave. No, bitch. Ah, look at you, you're so cute. Mwah. You ain't leaving. You stay right here. With me. Go. They're escape. There's goddamn images. How? There's a fire outside.
Yeah, that happens kind of fine. I just got to learn to deal with it, you know.
No. Yeah.
Just place all the boxes on the fire. Treat me like Whitey. Don't get me too early.
I'm gonna get so much insurance for this.
How to insurance fraud.
Yeet.
Wait, I just realised. Is there anything in here?
Oh shit! You're in. It's open.
Ow, ow, it's so iron down.
What if I feel like a wall? Yeah.
Build a hole at the entrance.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a burnt rat right here. Alright, I've ordered some boxes. Oh, wait, someone wants a dead rat.
Oh, alright, yeah, yeah.
There you go. Eat.
Hit me, bitch.
Such a fun video to watch.
I just got hit by a truck. Alright, block the entrance, go, go, go.
It's a lot of fun when I'm not screen with photos. With my girlfriend. You know.
Yeah.
You know how life is. No, I'm all about that life, man.
Who?
Theo Luca.
Alright.
You know. Did I tell you about her? Yeah, the official.
Very nice.
Yeah, we met at a karaoke night at the pub. And I was singing one of her songs, and she was like, "Oh my god, why are you so tall and muscular and handsome?" I was like,
You're not tall.
"Shit. That's what happens when you're a lone wolf."
I'm just saying, you're not tall though.
And she was like, "Oh my god, you're so like irresistible." And I was like, "Thanks."
You're so short. That's what she really said, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
All I hear is.
short. She said you're short. Where?
Sorry, I'm playing some good sandals.
Continue with the wall. Oh, they just went right through it. They just walked right through the boxes. Oh well, let's see if we can break the game.
I got the table. I'm on the table. I got the table. I got the table. I got the table. I got the table. I'm on the table. I'm on the table. I'm on the table. I got the table.
No, stop!
In the name of love, we can.
Hey. I'm on the table. I'm on the table.
I'm on the table. Toilet table. Let's see if we can try and glitch ourselves. I see. No, okay. Oh, there's a frame pan here. No, sure. Oh, here it is.
Get out of here. If I like. Hasn't been.
Is that racist?
I think so.
Duh. Dumb. Wait, let's see if we can try and make like a staircase up to the roof.
Oh yeah.
Good on this. There's already some boxes. Let's see if we can get like from box to garbage can. Okay then. No, you can't. Okay. God, this is gonna be such a fun video to edit.
This is, if I was correct.
Then whether we should edit this one first and the Daisy one, or the Daisy one and this one.
Tom.
Oh! I got the mat and the rice. The rice and the mat and the... Treat me like nothing. Don't let me ready. Joy to the world, the joy. I threw that far. Hold on.
Give me a second. Yeah, still a Google search real quick.
What? What are you doing? Goggling? It makes me feel like better. Charlie D'Amelio is live on Instagram right now.
That's cool.
Sup, ladies? The alpha is here. Oh shit, of course. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Fuck you. You look so beautiful.
I'm watching on. I need to educate myself.
Hold on. Creamy like whitey. Don't get me dirty.
Wait, so wait. This is the ice cream map.
Here you go. I'll give you.
Okay. Okay.
I'll give you this.
So I need this.
All right. So we need these.
Put it on the ground. So maybe affect me. Alright. Grab it. And what? So you go on top of it like that and
Where's my
grab.
blueberry going?
No, it's not.
Wait. So what's the glitch?
So you went to grab it and you went to go flying. So you go like that and then you went to go flying.
Oh!
Looks like D-Rock is rising up again!
Oh my god! I went.
Where are you? Where have you gone?
Ben, I'm here. Ben, I'm here. Wait, Ben, I can't get back in. Oh no, no, Ben, I can't get back in.
I'm after this shit. Fuck this. Fucking move. Oh.
Oh fuck! I went so little.
Oh.
Oh fuck!
That was weak.
Wait, how didn't I do it before?
Sorry. Is this still me to the sides? Okay. Oh. Oh shit! Fuck this shit, I'm out. Wee!
Wait, have you come? Oh, I thought you went behind the border.
Hey, just be over there.
How did I go so far the last time?
I don't know. I think it just kind of ran. Oh shit! Kieran? There's a way to get outside the boundaries of the.
Yeah, I done that. That's what I done last time.
Like you can get so far, you like say, oh shit. See, just launching to the side. That's the only issue. Wait. Oh
Ben, I'm falling through the world.
no! I'll come save you. Oh shit! I went the wrong way.
No, try and get it upside down. Try and get the thing upside down.
That's how you did it.
That's how I'm so far. Yeah. Right. Well, this is fun gameplay for me.
We try to get a clip of me doing it.
Yeah, record it then. started.
I got OBS. I need to get it.
Okay, I'm actually gonna have to leave because everything's
It's
just going darker and darker now. It's actually going brighter and brighter and
The
darker
dark.
and darker.
Oh shit. Oh shit, I'm flying. Oh fuck. Uh-oh. That ain't good.
Is there any more for the other maps, or is there?
That's the only one I seen. You search one. You search one. This is my one. You search one now.
Alright.
Oh fuck.
What did you search?
I searched how to glitch outside the map in One Armed Cook. I can't seem to get this to flip upside down. Yeet. Yeet.
Alright, I'm gonna leave. And
Alright.
main menu, play. Let's just keep it with this one actually. This one's kind of fun.
Okay. I should try and get the good glitch or you get.
Yeah, I'll wait till you get yours first so I can see it.
Yeah. That's it. Bye. I don't know. There you go. Send me another invite. There we go. Alright.
Right, okay, yeah.
I think strawberry.
I'll take coffee.
So
Coffee. So
you flipped it upside down.
yeah, I flipped it and it got upside down.
Try this.
Okay. Oh. Where have you
That's the
gone?
thing. Just launch you this.
Oh.
Launch you this thing. Oh shit! It's party time. Oh. Try it. Ooh.
When it's like rolling over on and the back's facing up, try and jump on it then. Cause I can't see. Cool. This
wait.
game's looking kind of good. Oh no! There's one.
How do you keep getting it so good?
Look! Mine's on the side right now, Ben. Look, right. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, Ben. Goodness, I'm stuck outside the border right now. Yeah. Oh. Jump on it again and then grab it. Ben.
I'm on top of the board.
What?
Oh no! I'll see if I can walk around to you.
You probably can, you know.
Around here, maybe.
Wait, where did you go? Oh wait, no, Ben.
Alright.
Okay, I'll go. I'll head
There is.
where you're heading. Oh.
Uh,
I still got my ice cream.